Good morning. Happy Wednesday. If you guys are watching this in the morning, good morning. Or whatever time you guys are watching, good afternoon, good evening, all that stuff. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And click on that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I do post a new video. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back, welcome back. It's a super busy day for me. I am enjoying my hot Herbalife tea with everything that you've seen that I added to it. This is good to boost your energy, to help your digestive system, your hair, skin, and nails, all that good stuff. So as you guys know, I mentioned this previously, I am a health and wellness coach with Herbalife. So I also take the products. I'm gonna have my shake for breakfast, but I'm having my tea first. And we just got back from taking hubby to work. Usually when I meet the car, we take him to work, and then I do what I gotta do, and then we go pick him up when it's time for him to clock out of work. Today's appointment, it's going to be at Stanton Optical. It's for me and the kids. My oldest is not here. My oldest is actually on vacation in New York with her father. So it's just me and the little ones today that's going to the appointment. And then tomorrow we actually have an asthma follow-up for my son so that he can get his asthma medications. The plan for today actually is going to the appointment, and then either before or after the appointment, I do want to go to Five Below with the kids so that we can get a Father's Day gift for my boyfriend. That's the plans for today, and I wanted to take them to the park, but Florida weather is bipolar, and it wants to start thundering in the afternoon and stuff like that. So I don't know. We will see. We'll play it by the ear. I'm just rambling away. I don't want the intro to be too long. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, yeah, so right now we're about to be heading to Five Below. Say hi. I mean, just say hi. We're gonna head to Five Below, get what we need from there, and then the Stanton Optical place is like literally down the road, so it's not that far from there. So I'll
glasses.
yeah.
I'm gonna get something for me at Five Below.
His doctor said to take him to the eye doctor to see if he may need glasses or not. So this is his first time going. This is our like third time going. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys later when we get to where we need to go. Okay, y'all, so epic fail. We only found one thing at Five Below. They don't have too much stuff for men there, but they wanted to get something that they seen last time we were here, so we got that. And then now we're gonna check Ross out because it's right next to it, since we still have some time to kill before we go to the appointment. Okay, last stop is Joanne's, right?
Yeah.
Because we're going to be making him over here, a custom shirt. I'm gonna make him a custom shirt. I was gonna buy him one at Five Below, and then I was like, I can make him a shirt. So that's what we're doing. And my battery is low. Well, it's gonna be low soon, and I left my charger in the house. So hopefully I still have some battery left. So when we go to the appointment, I can film that.
Should we bring the umbrella?
So we're back home, and I'm a little bummed out because the goal was to get our eye exams done, and if they needed to, update the prescription on my glasses and my daughter's glasses, adjust the glasses, because it's been like 2 years since we last been there, and then also would have been my son's first time there, but their policies changed, and I didn't know that. When I made the appointment on over the phone, I wish they would have told me this information versus me having to drive to the location. Thankfully, I don't live far, but what if I did? They changed their policy, so the insurance that we have basically doesn't cover anything, and I would have had to pay $135 for each of us just to get seen and get the glasses updated and stuff like that. So that's like over $400. And I'm like, nah, you're bugging. So I have to call the insurance to see which locations are in network with them, because this location we won't be able to go to anymore because they're not in network with our insurance. So I have to look for another type of insurance for us because that's not it. But yeah, so that was our little dilemma there. And yeah, I think I might end this video on today's vlog here and then start brand new tomorrow, so that today is not so long, because I have a lot of things to get done tomorrow too. So I will see you guys in the morning.